Whether you're just starting out as a new business or you're an older business that's been running for a while, it's important to check to make sure that your LLC is operating correctly. I'm Mark Petersen with Snake River Law. Today we're going to talk about some of the common mistakes we see when people are running and operating their LLC. So one of the common mistakes that we see is when business owners mix their business accounts with their personal accounts. And you would think that wouldn't happen, but it does happen frequently. And the problem with that is it makes it look like you're not taking your business seriously and not operating as seriously as a business. So the solution to that is pretty simple. Just make sure to have separate business and personal accounts, and don't intermingle personal or business assets with the opposite type of account. So another common mistake we see with LLC business owners is conducting LLC business in their personal name. So the way this looks practically is when they sign a contract, they sign it personally instead of as a business owner. Or when they accept payment from somebody, they receive it in their individual name instead of the business's name. So the solution to this is pretty simple. Just make sure that everything is conducted and done in the business's name. Another common mistake we see is when a business fails to file their annual report with the state. And what is the consequence of this when you don't do it? The state actually does an administrative dissolution of your company. So they dissolve the company, and it is no longer considered an active company with the state. So the solution to this is really simple. When you receive the email from the state to file your annual report, make sure to do that. Make sure to get your annual report filed. Probably one of the most frequent mistakes that we see is that an LLC never creates corporate books for their business. So what I mean by corporate books, the LLC does not have an operating agreement, it doesn't have membership certificates, it doesn't have any of the documents needed to legitimize their business. And this is a very common mistake. A lot of LLCs just stop with forming it at the state and never take the next step to legitimize their business through corporate books. So the simple way to do that is to actually create those documents and have a corporate book set up that has everything that you need to show that your business is legitimate. So the final mistake that we see often is that once a business is formed, they don't actually conduct any annual or special meetings or even keep record of those meetings. And so for a business to legitimize itself, conducting an annual meeting and documenting it and also with any special meetings you might have is essential to show that you are taking it seriously as a business and that you want to legitimize your business. So the solution to this is very simple. Schedule your annual meeting and then conduct the meeting and make notes of that meeting and put it into your corporate books. So just as a recap, keep your business and personal accounts separate. Conduct business in your company's name. Make sure to file your annual report. Create your corporate books and keep them maintained, and have an annual meeting for your business each year. And those are the things and easy solutions to fix some of the 5 common mistakes that we see. So if you have any questions about this or want to discuss any other business information, legal information, give us a call at 208-406-9885. We'd love to help businesses thrive and grow.